Alright friends, now let's do a more engaging example. So let's calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. How do I do that? So first I set from 1 to 10. So it means the loop should stop before reaching 10. So the last number will be 9. So we use here just less than operator. Here the last value should be 9. Okay, I increase one by one. So that's why plus operator, I use it. Okay, I will calculate the sum. So I come here, I say sum. I will use every e value. So I can start from e value, from 0 or from 1. It doesn't matter. So let's do calculation. I come here, I say sum equals to sum plus e. But here I need initial value of sum, because we will keep adding the loop variable e to it. So first we set sum equals to 0. Okay. So then inside the loop we add e to sum during every iteration. I mean, it starts from 1. I come here. It starts from 1. So 1 plus 0. Sum becomes 1. And then it iterates through. Sum was 1 and plus I increase e value. E becomes 2. 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So it iterates through. E becomes 3. So sum is 3. So sum becomes 6. It iterates through. E becomes 4. I increase e value 1 by 1. And then sum was 6. So it becomes 10. It continues like that until it reaches to 9. When e becomes 10, for loops ends. It will not enter the for loop again when e becomes 10, because 10 is not less than 10. So the condition is false, so for loop ends. Okay, I calculated. What I need to do, I need to display the final total of numbers from 1 to 10. I mean, the last value is 9. Okay, for doing this, I need to print sum. I come here and I say system.out.println. So inside the println, I give sum value. Okay, so let's run it. You see the total value is 45. Is it correct? I check it. How can I find the sum from 1 to n? So n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 times 5 is 45. Yes, that's correct. So this is so important because this is a classical example of how loops are used to perform cumulative calculation. So it's a fundamental technique used in many programming tasks. So once you understand this, you can apply the same logic to other problems. So like finding the sum of even numbers, odd numbers, or numbers in any given range. Super, I hope you understand this logic.